Hey everybody, so here at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, we care more about than just selling you homes. We care about your family, your home, your house, and of course making your move when you do decide being as smooth as possible. So what I did today is, you can see this PODS moving in storage. I have nothing to do with them, don't get anything for talking about them, but I thought it was pretty cool. What I'm doing is getting ready for winter. I'm going to be cleaning out my garage and getting it all straightened out. I want to redo the inside and get it painted, clean the floor. So I thought, why not get a pod delivered? At that point, I can clean out the entire garage. So because we do recommend a lot of our clients use these for when they're moving, I thought I'd check it out. So if you saw this little system they have, where they have this little mini hydraulic system that lifts it right off their truck and sets it wherever you want on your property, they can drive it around. It doesn't get picked up and tipped, it stays pretty level. I could see where things don't get jostled around a bunch. So I'm pretty excited watching it work. I'm excited to get to work on my garage, get it cleaned up. A month later, haven't picked this up. So getting things ready, getting things prepped. We'll bring more videos to you talking about getting your house ready so things don't freeze and get broken. We'll talk to you soon.